Hello, Ker Chia, and this is a walkthrough video for water cycle prototype, which is task 2. And let's start to introduce what I have in my website. I have loading page, landing page, home page, scene, scenes to introduce the water cycle, and about page, state of matters, and also check with blue. So let's go on with the walkthrough. So let's restart. This is the loading, and it will turn out to 100%, and will jump to welcome to Blue's journey. So let's click on enter button. There's an animation here. You can see it's the water keep going on like ocean. When clicking on it, it will jump to the home page. So this is the home page, journey of Blue, and we have a character here, our Blue, as the on the right side. And let's go through the navigation. We have logo on the left, and home button, about, discover more, and chat with blue button on the right hand side. So there's a let's go here. This is the button that leads the user to the scene that introduces what is a water cycle. And you jump in here. This is the delay, and you will jump to the next checkbox, and you will jump out a checkbox here. It's a tips to ask the user click to move on to the next page. So when you click on it, you will see the blue is asking, wanna come along with me, like this. So before we're moving on to the next scene, I would like to introduce the timeline, which is here. You can see when hover it will jump to a different color, and when you click on it, it will jump to a respective scene. But I would not go through this first, because let's press this. This is a home button. When you click on it, it will jump back to the home page. Let's click again, let's go. As just now we already go through the scene. Let's click on the skip button below here. You can see when hover it change color. Click on it and it will jump to the last page of the introduction scene. Click on the next, it will jump to transpiration, and you can see the timeline here has changed color because we are in this scene. So let's click, 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 and you can see there's a mark here that that will attract the user attention to click on this. Let's click on it. It shows a water vapor blue, so it's an informative pop-up window. Click this red button to close, and click again to move on to the next. So just click, 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 and now you reach the next button, and we are in the condensation scene. So continue. Again, pop-up window, click again, you can see another information of cloud. So it's actually area is like a cloud here. So when you click outside, you will jump to the next scene. But if you click on the cloud shape, it will jump out the pop-up window. So let's continue to the next. So it's again dark cloud blue. A mark here means that you can click on it, jumps out information about dark clouds. And let's go to the next one. This is a raining. I use delay to move as well. So collection scene. So we have another pop-up window. Click on it. Yeah, this is another information. If you click below here, this is the area of the lake. It will jump out the pop-up window. If you click outside the area, it won't pop up. So you can click outside, and this is collection. Let's go on to evaporation. Let's go and go out scene, and next again you reach to ending. This is a delay. I don't need to click anything, but now if there's a checkbox, you have to click. So let's click again, and we reach the ending. So reach the end, you'll direct back to the home page in 3 seconds. So let's go again. To click on each scene, you see it jumps out again, jumps out again, jumps out again, and jump again. So home page. Let's move on to about page, about water, and you explain everything here a little bit. And also if you want to know more, I added this kind of sentences. Want to know more, join the journey now. So when they click on it, it will back to the scene, and they will play the scene again. If it doesn't want to do so, just click on the home page and then do it back to the home page. So let's go to discover more. It's talking about states of matter. So we have 3 states of matter. I only explained 3 even though there has 4 actually. So three states of matter is already enough for my website, so I only include 3. So we have liquid, solid and gas. When you hover, the picture will become bigger and the stroke also gets thicker. So same goes to solid and gas. Let's go from liquid. So liquid is water, so it's placed on the top here, and we only explain how water changed to gas and how water changed to ice or like solid in this box, because we're talking about liquid, right? This is the main character in this page, so it's evaporation and freezing. Let's go back to solid. So now it's solid. How it turns to water and how it turns to gas will also be explained here. So next we have gas. Same as well, we also have explained how it changes from gas to solid and from gas to liquid. So this is the end for the discover more. Let's go to chat with Blue. Chat with Blue is a chat room, so we can know fun facts. How can we know about the fun facts of water? We have a button here called click here to interact with Blue. By clicking it, so you can see there's a chat box jumping it out, and Blue is thinking and Blue coming out with a fun fact. So fun fact 1, clouds are heavier than you think. So after reading it, you can click again to interact with Blue, but after clicking it, you cannot click again because Blue is thinking. You cannot do anything to make Blue keep thinking on another fun fact, right? So after reading again a second fun fact, you can click again to the third fun fact. The fun fact is here. So its snowflakes are all different. So this is, by clicking it, we reach the end of the chat room. You can click to play again. So the text here also has changed to click to play again. By clicking it, you can back to the first page of Chat with Blue. So yeah, this is the end of Chat with Blue. Let's go back to the home page. You can click it by clicking it home or click the logo. Yeah, so we have reached the end of the walkthrough video. Thank you for watching it, and I hope you enjoy my website. Thank you so much.